Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to create a hierarchy and how to do formatting of totals and subtotals in matrix. So here first I will show my data. This is my EMP data, CSV data, so which contains computer appliances. So product name, region name, sale date, total sale amount. If you see the product name, motherboard, CPU, GPU, and RAM, everything is there. And regions north, central, west, south, east, like that. And this is the date. So everything is in CSV format. Now I want to load this data into Power BI. So go to text and CSV and connect and select your CSV file. This is my CSV file. Just click on open. Yeah, this is how this data looks like. See, product name, region name, sale date, total sale amount. Now I want to load this data. Total number of rows are 14 rows. 14 rows are loaded. Yes. Data is loaded into Power BI. You need to build our visuals based on any visual tool. So here, as I mentioned, I want to take the matrix. Just click on the matrix. So matrix is a powerful visual tool in the Power BI that helps the developers to analysis and do more analysis across the multiple dimensions. So I will make this as a focus window. Just expand your data. So here, as I shown earlier, product name, region name, sale date, and sale amount. Now you can see here labels, rows, columns, and values. There are three labels are there. Now I want to drag my data into these labels. First I am dragging product name into rows. Yeah, these are the four distinct product names the organization has used to sold in different regions. Okay. Now, so I want to take the. We know there are four products, but these products are sold in different regions. So I am taking this region name also in rows. See what will happen. So earlier there is no plus. If you remove this region name here, so it looks like only single. Now I want to add the region name after rows, after product name in the rows column. Then you can apply some plus symbol. If you expand this one, so the CPU has been sold in different regions. That is central, east, north, west, like that. And GPU also in four regions, and motherboard four regions, and you can see the RAM. It is only in two regions. So this is the product name, and this is the region name. So this product has been sold out in in four regions. So like this, the hierarchy has been created under product name. Okay. Now if you drill up this one, if you click on this drill up button, so again it will go to back to normal with plus symbol. If you want to expand all at once, just to click this one, expand all down one level in the hierarchy. So you can see here, instead of clicking the plus button every time, if you click on this button, it will expand automatically. Okay, this is how we need to create the product, the hierarchy in the matrix. Now, additionally, we have some sale amount. So I want to drag this in values part. I have to drag this in values. See, if you drill up this one, the total sale amount of the CPU is 31,300. GPU like this motherboard, and then the total amount is the 1,15,380. Okay, this is the sale. If you want to take the expand this drop down hierarchy, then region wise how much? So yes, CPU total amount is 31,300. So region is in central it is 5,500. East 9900. You will get region with breakup. Okay, so this is the total, this is the region with breakup for this product. Like this you will get everything. Okay, now I am adding sale data also. Sale data I am adding at column level. That means you will get at column level. So here I am dragging the sale data into product, sorry, columns. So here you find the date. Date means here year. So all these dates comes under 2024. Now I want to close the year and I want to make it as a quarter wise sales. I want to know quarter wise sales for each product. See here Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. So if you see here CPU is the product. It will sold in these four regions. In the first quarter it won't sell in any one of these regions. If you see the second quarter, out of 31,300, so 25,000 is sold, sales done in quarter 2. So coming to third quarter it's only 6,300, and again fourth quarter we don't have any sales for CPU. So like this you will get the breakup. Okay, this is the breakup. So this is the row wise total, this is the column wise total. So this is how you need to create a hierarchy and also analyze the data as per your requirement. Now, so we will see one more thing. So how to change the formatting? So here row grand total. Row grand, I want to change the row grand total color. Okay. For that, this is the basic color. I want to change it as a some other color. So I want to make this one color. So you can see dark color, make it as a white, black. Yeah, black. And I want to background color I am changing as some black. This one. So you can see here. So all these row grand total will be changed by as per your format. If you go to column grand total, so here also the values I am changing the background color as some different color. This is column grand total. Okay. As per your requirement, everything as per your requirement, I'm some other color. Yeah, it looks better. So you have to do the matrix. You have to do the grand total wise and total wise as per your requirement. This is grand total. Okay, like this you can change the formatting as per your requirement. Row subtotals. Okay, column grand totals and row grand totals. This is how you need to create your hierarchy, the matrix, and you need to do formatting your colors, column totals and grand total and the row grand total as per your requirement. I hope this video helps how to create a hierarchy and how to visualize your data by formatting the totals, the matrix. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.